The Muscadine grapes are coming into season, and they're lovely tasting farrowness. And up here we have East Texas mulberry. They're ready for the picking and for the blending to make Muscadine Berry wine. What we are going to be looking at today are the ingredients for a wine that I plan on doing relatively soon. What we have right here is this is a Vitis rotundifolia, Vitis rotundifolia, also known as a wild muscadine grape. I have approximately 2 pounds. And what we have right here is a sprig of East Texas mulberries. And the wine we are going to be making from this is a East Texas Muscadine Berry wine. It's just a real simple wine. Grapes, mulberries, sugar, water, yeast. It's, like I said, it's a really simple wine. All of the mulberries and the muscadine grapes are feral, and so there's no way of knowing exactly what's in them or what the sugar levels are, so we will be adding a little bit of sugar. I'm still debating whether we're going to do sugar, or if we're going to do honey, or if we're going to do cane syrup. We might do all three, I don't know. I've never used cane syrup on something like this. It's a good source of sugar, but it also gives you a really dark wine, so don't know yet. I will be freezing these, then thawing them out to break them down. The freezing process breaks down the cell structure, and you can extract more juice from them. Both of these puppies, both the grapes and the mulberries, have a whole buttload of seeds in them, so we're going to incorporate a straining process with these. So until I get the time, which hopefully will be in the next week or two, to get these in the fermenter, take care. Better brewing, love and peace.